Good morning students, welcome to science class of class 8th. So today we are going to perform an activity, and the aim of activity is to show that friction depend on nature of surface. So for this activity materials needed are weight, it means an object that have some weight, polythene, spring balance. These are the material that are required for this activity. So for this activity we need a material that have some weight. So we have taken a lock that have some weight and a spring balance. Now we connect the hook of this spring balance to the lock and try to pull it till it is slide. So now we pull it. So you see that when it is reaches to the 1 Newton, then it slide. Now record your observation on the observation table. Now again we take a polythene and wrap it. And now again we put this lock on the table and again connect the hook with this lock and try to pull it till it is slide. So it slide about 0.76 Newton. Means when we applied the force of 0.76 Newton, then it start to slide. Now record your observation. When we put the log on the table, when it is not wrapped with polythene, then it needed a 1 Newton force, and when we wrap the polythene, then it acquired 0.76 Newton force. Now we compare in both, that in first case when we put the lock on the table, so in this situation the lock have some irregularities, due to which it required a larger force to pull it. But in second case, when we wrap the polythene, then the frictional force is reduces or decreases, because the table is also smooth and the surface of lock, when we wrap the polythene, it also becomes smooth. So the frictional force between the surface of table and the surface of lock will be reduced, because there is no irregularities. So due to this the frictional force will be decreases. Thank you for watching.